Hi, I'm Mike Hanson from the Open Exchange Product Marketing Department. I'd like to welcome you to the Ox tutorial series. Today we're going to cover some of the features and functions within Ox App Suite and the applications therein. Hope you enjoy the series.
These days, most people have more than one email system, be it one for work or one for personal use, or be it different inboxes for different aspects of their business life. For example, a personal inbox and one for sales that's shared between all the salespeople. Ox App Suite lets you not only bring various inboxes into one system, but also lets you combine the emails into one inbox in a very selective way. Let's see how this is done. First of all, go to your email system. Then open up the tree view. Now here you can see I've already brought in a Google Mail account into my system here. But currently they're separate. There's an inbox for Google and there's an inbox for my system here. So how do we bring them together? It's simple. First of all, let's go to Settings. In Settings, we click on Mail and Social Accounts. This was where I added my Google. All I did was hit Add, and I selected Google from the list, and it was added. It just asked me for my username and password. Now that it's in, let's just edit the Google profile. Here you can see there's lots of information that was gathered and created to unify the inbox into Ox App Suite itself. But as I said, currently they're separate inboxes. Here I can select whichever account I want and say use a unified inbox for this account. So I click on this checkbox and hit Save. This is now updating my account and pulling in the information. As Google Mail was already brought in, this happens very quickly. If you're importing a whole social media inbox for the first time, this may take a while depending on how many emails you have on your inbox. After it's all synchronized, now if I go back to my email system, we'll see there's a new section here called Unified Mail. As you can see, I have Paul Jones, Eva May, etc. emails here. If I go to my Google inbox, it'll pull in the email from Google and I'll see I have Google Calendar, Twitter, all sorts of social information in there. If I now open up my unified inbox and click on Inbox, this will now bring in both my local emails and my Google emails into one. And you can see that they're labeled accordingly. So here you can see there's a lot of Google Mail messages, and if we scroll down, both are combined together. Note that there is the unified inbox, and also each inbox can be accessed individually to keep them separate. It is that simple. Just one footnote. When creating emails within the unified inbox, please be careful and make sure you send the email from the correct sender. Simply click Sender and select the right email account. Note that while in the unified inbox, Ox App Suite has no idea which sender you need to send from. This does not apply when replying to emails. So here, this is from my Google Mail account. If I hit reply, Ox App Suite is clever enough to understand that you're sending from the Google Mail account. Thank you very much, and that concludes our unified inbox tutorial.